fixture is wired properly and there's no question about which wire is hot, neutral, and ground, then begin by turning off the power at the breaker. 2. Connect the wire in the junction box to the wire in the light fixture, neutral to neutral, by twisting the ends clockwise and then screwing the wire nut on clockwise, or simply twist the wire. Step 3. Next, you will install the receptacle, securing it with the screws that held up the light fixture. Step 4. Connect the switch wire from the junction box to the utility box and insert the wire to the switch fixture, then connect the switch bed to the terminal of the circuit breaker. Step 5. Tighten the screws, holding the fixture into place so that it's firmly in position and not moving around, yet not so tight that you break the fixture. Then put the cover plate. Step 6. Screw the light bulb into the fixtures and then screw in the rod that holds the globe in place. Secure it with the final screw. Step 7. Set the multitester on the resistance to check the continuity of the fixture. Then notify your supervisor, trainer, to allow you to switch on the main breaker. Step 8. Turn the power back on at the breaker and test your new light fixture.